Hey, I don't know if you knew this, but day trading could actually make you quit your job. See, a lot of times people think that you need like a crazy strategy with all these different terminologies that don't make sense, but I'm here to tell you today that you don't have to do that. I have a profitable strategy that comes in 3 steps and an indicator that you don't gotta do nothing. It just tells you when to buy and sell. It has been a blessing for me. It's been a blessing for my community. It's been a blessing for my people. And so I'm gonna bless you today, okay? By the end of this video, I'm gonna give this indicator to one lucky person. All you have to do is comment under the video and say, Kalin Trades is my buddy. All you gotta do, just tell me I'm your buddy. Once you do that, go to my free Discord, introduce yourself, like, comment, subscribe in the video, and I'll let you know when the giveaway is. Before we get started, I just have to show you the past 24 hours in my Discord have been crazy. This person got a payout. This person passed their challenge. Look at the date, all yesterday. This person, and we're all congratulating each other. This person got funded. This is crazy. This person got an $1,800 payout. This person got funded. It's crazy. People just going nutty. This person got a payout. This is all literally in my Discord, but from the strategy and indicator, she was able to get funded. This person got funded. Shoot, this person got funded and got a payout. Come on, man. I got funded. This person got funded. This person got funded. This person got funded. Come on, bruh. Come on, man. All right, so today we're going to test forex because it works on forex, futures, options, crypto, all of that stuff. But today we're going to go over DJ, which is my favorite forex pair. And so essentially what the indicator does is it marks out highs and lows for you on a higher time frame. And so I've been trading off the 30-second and 15-second as of late after a higher time frame breaker structure. If you guys want more information on the actual strategy, the Secret Sauce Deluxe course is out and it's on sale right now. So you can go ahead and get that. I remember when mentors were charging so much money and I couldn't afford it, but all my stuff is affordable because I want to be a blessing to people. So we got higher time frames, highs and lows that are marked, so we don't have to go on the actual time frame. It tells you what the range high is that needs to be broken for us to get in. It tells you the range low. It tells you the overall momentum. It does all this for you, and it tells you the entry price. It's crazy. So if we zoom in right here, let's just go ahead and forward test it and just see how it works. We see that a body close was below our range low. And so what we're doing is we're just waiting to get an entry confirmation. And so as soon as it gives us that entry, we'll be able to get in. So let's go ahead and get in right here. Let's just say that we came in late to the market. And this is solely just for back testing purposes. You want to be able to get in before price gets this high. You want to get in right at the buy. So let's just create a limit order and let's just dream a little bit here, guys. Let's risk 50,000 points. And so we'll set our stop loss right here and then we'll set our TP down here. And let's just see. So I'm gonna move that up just because this is where we entered at, and let's see how it goes. So you got a nice drop, nice drop, nice drop, boom, TP hit. So that's really cool. So we'll tally our wins. Let's do a couple of them. So we got a good win right there, so that's good. So all right, we're out of the trade. It's telling us that we have another entry, and based off the update of the indicator, I noticed that people were missing setups, especially because the 1 minute is really, really fast. I wanted people to be able to get into the trade and get into the market. And so what I had to do was I had it, you know, you got this entry right here, and then it sets up for another entry. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do the same amount. We'll risk the same amount as last time. Let's try to, all right, we're in. So let's move our stop loss up here and let's move our TP down here. I love GJ just because it's, as far as forex, it's just a really good instrument. So you got a medium rejection and then TP hit. So that's 2 take profits back to back. So if you really would have risked the amount that you could have risked, you'd be up 10 bands, I believe, if we risk 5 to get 5. Now let me go in here really quick and just let you guys know some of the functionalities and settings. If you don't want this table right here, you can move it. If you don't want to show the range lines, you can move it. If you don't want to show the trade lines, you can move it. You know, you can take away almost everything on here. We do have a volume filter that is new that I just added because when price is super low on volume, the volatility is up and it's hard to read where it's going. And so I typically don't like trading when it's under really for real 500. But because I trade Asian session, volume has been pretty low over the past couple of weeks. So I have it at 200 and I might bump it. I have it at 100 default. I might bump it up to 200 soon. But life bars is just, okay, how many bars until the fair value gap expires for me to be able to enter? And then we have different modes that you can do. Do you want to trade only on the first fair value gap after a break? Or do you want to do it in X number of times? And so you can take that number up as many times as you want. Like if price is pushing, I would not do that though. And then you can also change the risk to reward. You can go up to 4. So if you want to do a 4R or 3R, you can. But because the market is just really weird right now, I'm telling people to do 1 or 2 and, you know, do that. So, and then they also have where you can move the stop loss placement as well. And so just fool around with it when you get it and all that stuff. So, okay, let's keep going. You guys have a kind of an understanding of how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. When you backtest, it does get a little wonky. Like it took this away, but you guys get it. So, all right, we're waiting for a high or a low to be broken. It updates the low for you, so we don't have to keep doing that. So the high is all the way up here. So let's just keep waiting and see what it do. Let's see what the freak it do, Shane. So you see how there's little momentum right here? I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Like it's very little momentum, and which is great. You don't want it to take trades when there's very little momentum. Okay, so I missed it, but it happens fast, guys. So you would have had TP hit right here. So you would have got in at this box right here. Your stop loss would have been right here, and your take profit would have been right here, and you would have hit TP. I'm gonna try to find a losing example just so I can show you what happened. Anytime that you lose in the market, you want to know why. If you don't know why, then that's a bad sign. You always want to know why you lost, even if it was just a day where the market was being trashed. Like you want to know why you lost. So it looks like we're probably gonna have a potential break. Okay, here we go. This is good. Now, we finally got a loss because you're not gonna win all of them. So we wanted to get in on this fair value gap to take this high up and to take this low right here. And so what happened was price was not ready to go all the way up yet. And so if I'm looking at this, the first thing that I notice is that it's still very little momentum. This is London session, which there should be a lot of momentum because this is the Great Britain pound. But there was just little momentum. And so because there was little momentum, price, you know, if we do zoom out a lot, there was consolidation that was happening right here. It was no clear direction. So it's just certain things that you still need to look out for when you're trading the indicator. This one lost and kept going in the wrong direction. So it's telling you right here that there's another limit sale. I don't think it's going to go all the way up. Let's see. I definitely like this one right here. So let's see how this one performs. And remember, you can go for a 1 or 2. You can go for a 1 or 3. It's just, it's all dependent on what your flavor is. This will be the last one, just as an example. Okay, so it missed out on this one. Now, this is what I do with my strategy. I'm just going to show you guys really quick. So I'm going to drop to the 1 minute. And because price created a fair value gap outside of my line, which is great. This is an A+ setup for me. We would have got in at this zone right here. And typically I like to cover 2 fair value gaps. This one's a little bit risky because I don't know how high it's gonna go. It's either 2 fair value gaps or 1 swing point. It's really based on your trading style. But let me just show this example before I dip out. Okay, so we missed that entry, right? So we're gonna try to move it down here. This is a great example. We're gonna move it down here, and now we'll fully cover this swing point right here, and we'll still try to go for it. So let's confirm. All right, so we missed that one. Let's try to get in on the most recent one. And you're only gonna do this 3 different times. So let's try one more time. Confirm, let's try to get in. Okay, we're in. Stop loss. You don't move your stop loss at all. You just keep the take profit the same. All right. Oh my gosh, I would have broke even. I would have broke even. That's crazy. That's just what the market has been doing these days. It's about to take you out, and then it comes back, and then if you know you win, but it's stupid. So anyway, if this video was helpful for you guys, man, please like, comment, subscribe. Again, join my free Discord. We're gonna announce the giveaway very, very soon, and I'll see y'all soon. I got great news for you guys today. Prop Firm Match is the leading prop firm comparison platform on the internet, and they got live reviews, so you don't have to worry about being scammed. There's so many times where I've been scammed by these prop firms, bruh. You can actually customize what you're looking for in the challenge. So if you want to pass in one day, or if you want to get instant funding, if you even want to take your time with a prop firm and you like, I want to take a couple weeks, couple months to be able to do a prop firm match, will help help you with that, bro. Trust me, they only go with the real prop firms that are gonna get you those big payouts. And if you know anything about the channel, you know that I'm trying to get funded $2 million and run up the bag. Prop firm match is gonna help me be able to do that because they only mess with legit brokers. And they'll be able to help you, bro. So what are you waiting for, man? Come on.